Hello friend, I'm Samadi back to the new tutorial video regarding soil mechanics. In my last 3-4 video, I talk about relative density index of soil. We can easily understand soil either dense or loose. You are a site engineer. You have to understand in which range your soil is lying. If soil is lying near to the loose zone, then you need to do compaction. If your soil is lying towards the dense zone, this need less compaction. In this video, we can modify our concept furthermore. Today, I discuss about relative compaction. You can understand why relative compaction we need to learn, how we use. Watch the video till the end, brush up your concept and clear your doubt. If you new in my channel, press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, never miss an updates. I am coming with this types of video almost every day. Still, if you are not watching the video related relative density of soil, I button you may check. In this video, first we understand what do you mean by relative compaction. Relative compaction that denotes by RC. Term relative, that's mean there is some comparison. So I can say RC that is equal to something by something. Specific gravity G equal some unknown by some known. So relative compaction. What do you mean by compaction? I know I am not studying the compaction chapter, but still I'm giving you a small brief introduction. Compaction means how much compaction need to make your soil more dense. In simple language, suppose this is your loose soil, this is your hard soil. इस loose soil को इस hard soil में convert करने के लिए आपको कितना compact करना पड़ेगा? As simple as much. Relative compaction, that means something by something. In denominator, use gamma d max. Why gamma d max? Because if this is your loose state soil, this is your hard state soil. In hard state soil, gamma d should be max. And our aim to reach to gamma d max, this is your gamma d natural inside, so you have to reach up to this portion or this percentage. That is why gamma d natural. Writing the definition, you can say degree of compaction is ratio between natural dry density, that is gamma d natural, to maximum dry density. We start formula RC, that is equal to gamma d natural by gamma d maximum. Gamma d equal to gamma water G 1 plus E. Gamma d equal to gamma d natural, that equal to gamma W G 1 plus E natural. When gamma d equal to gamma d maximum, that is equal to gamma W G 1 plus E minimum, because I told previously gamma d is inversely proportional to void ratio. Now I put the value in this equation. RC equal to gamma WG 1 plus E natural by gamma WG 1 plus E maximum. RC equal to 1 plus E minimum by 1 plus E natural, and this is minimum. Sorry for silly mistake. In this way, this whole formula is generated. Hope this portion is clear. ID and RC is two similar things. If ID is preliminary concept and RC is advanced concept, so we can convert ID to RC or RC to ID. Relation between relative RC and ID. ID equal to E max minus E natural, E max minus E minimum. From this step, I can easily do it 1 by gamma d minimum, 1 by gamma d natural by 1 by gamma d minimum, 1 by gamma d maximum. We multiply in up and down gamma d max, 1 by gamma d minimum, 1 by gamma d natural, and here same 1 by gamma d minimum minus 1 by gamma d max. Gamma d max by gamma d min minus gamma d max by gamma d natural. Here gamma d max by gamma d minimum, gamma d max by gamma d max. This is 1 gamma d max by gamma d natural, that is the 1 by R. What is the gamma d max by gamma d minimum? If RC equal to gamma d natural by gamma d maximum, gamma d minimum by gamma d maximum, that is equal to R naught. That is the 1 by R naught, 1 by R naught minus 1, and that is equal to ID. What our intention is that find out the RC in term of ID. ID 1 by R naught minus 1 equal to 1 by R naught minus 1 by RC. So 1 by RC, that equals to 1 by R naught ID by R naught plus ID. 1 by RC, that equal to R naught 1 minus ID plus ID R naught. RC equal to R naught 1 minus ID 1 minus R naught. That is the formula given by a standard coil mechanics books. Hope you understand. I repeatedly request you go through the concept. Everything is very easy like water. There is another formula, that is the empirical formula, that is known as Lee and Singh formula, that come in our market 1971. They told RC equal to 80 plus 0.2 ID. In this formula, we can find out the range of the ID. Minimum value 0, maximum value 1 or 100. For RC minimum 80%, RC maximum 80%, 100%, RC value stay between 80 to 100%. It's a very small concept. Sometimes they ask in any exam. I can say soil loose. That means ID 0, relative compaction 80%. Soil is dense. ID equal to 1 or 100%. Then RC should be 100. In that case, gamma D natural, that equal to gamma D maximum value. You always remember RC ka minimum value not 0 is the 80%. The max that equal to 100%. So guys, that is the full video where I can discuss relative density of soil, what is the concept, how the formula is generated, and what is the relation between RC and ID. I am showing the Lee-Singh formula. We can find the range of ID RC correspondingly. Still you are watching this video, then subscribe this channel, press the bell icon. You never miss an update because I'm coming with this types of video almost every day. Thank you for watching this video. More knowledge, more opportunity.